Hello everyone, today one of our successful applicant from Bangladesh, Mr. Anwar Hussain, receiving his original work permit direct from Poland through the North American Service Center. Yes, full package, everything is available here. Mr. Anwar Hussain, congratulations.
Yes.
Today you're receiving from us your original work permit with full package. Before I move to explaining your work permit full package, what is included, okay, on it, I just want to ask about you a little bit. Let our followers know how you contact North American Service Center, who refer for you the North American Service Center, or you know about us from the social media, and why do you want to move to Poland, not any other country, why you choose Poland. Let them know, maybe they who want to apply for different countries, they will make some decision to move to Poland. And what is your work here, what are you doing, how long you been in UAE, sir, and how much salary you are receiving from here. So little bit about yourself and your experience with our company, with North American Service Center. Later on I will explain to you what is your working permit packages includes, okay?
Yes.
Please feel free to talk on your language in Bangladesh, because we have a lot of applicants from Bangladesh, from India, from Pakistan, which is you all have common language, so feel free to talk on your language, okay?
Assalamu alaikum. Anwar Hussain, Bangladesh. Bangladeshi. I am going Poland. My work permit. My work permit coming. Offer letter also coming. I receiving.
Yeah.
Not American Center.
Yeah.
But very good office. Good job.
You can speak on Bangladeshi language, yes. Explain everything. What are you doing in
very good office.
Yeah, in your language. In your, yeah. Feel free to say, talk in your Bangladesh language, okay? Yeah.
Good office. I am Anwar Hussain. Good office. I am offer letter receiving.
Okay, sir. How long you been in Emirates, sir? How many years you are in Emirates now?
There?
Here in UAE. How many years?
16 years.
16 years.
Yeah.
16 years.
Yeah.
So where do you work, sir?
Didox.
Didox. Okay, what is your position?
Welder.
Welder, you're working as welder.
Welder.
That's great. How much, can I ask how much your salary you're receiving here in UAE? Salary.
Salary 4,500.
Here?
Yeah.
Okay. So why you decide to move to Poland?
Poland, my friend going after
Your friends
good,
there,
yeah,
and they
good,
there, yes.
good company, another company good. My give number.
That's
Okay,
great.
yeah.
How do you know about North American Service Center?
Not
Who refer?
some center good, no?
No, who refers, sir? Your friend?
My
or,
friend.
Or
My friend
through
give.
social
My
media?
friend give also going, no? My friend.
Ah, your friend was our applicant. He traveled. Now he is referred for you to apply with us, and now you're receiving your original work permit from North America. Thank you, sir, for your trust. And here is your work permit. It's us shared with our followers. Okay, and here is your working permit. Company here, the name, full company where you will be working. Here is the city name. Your working permit is 3 years valid, and 160 hours in a month you will be working. Okay, here is your basic salary, here is your actual salary. Okay, you will be receiving more, double, and you can work extra hours. It's always available. Okay, and you will be paid for your extra hours, no issue. So here is a letter for the quarantine letter. Here is a for the embassy, for the consulate, cover letter, accommodation letter, letter of intents. Let us see what is company providing. Company providing accommodation, transportation, and insurance, and a passenger ticket one way. They will provide it one way from you. Okay, the rest extra hours which you will be working, there is a payment for it. Don't worry. Okay, it is always available. If you wish to earn more salary, it's always available. Okay, so here is your working permit. Congratulations, and feel free to contact us anytime if you have any concern. Next step, we are moving to visa appointment. We will be register your appointment, your working permit on the consulate website. Then we will be following all the procedure, and we will be preparing you for the embassy appointment. Anytime if you have any question regarding your working permit after even you travel, feel free to contact us. Okay, we are here to help you. Congratulations, and thank you for watching, everyone. Anyone who want to apply for a Europe country for any kind of visa, working permit, visit visa, investment visa, student visa, all kind of visa, feel free to contact us. We are here to help you, and you can contact us through the social media, and feel free to come to our office anytime. Our working time to 9 to 9, and from Monday to Saturday we are working, and we have branches all over the UAE, and feel free to contact outside of UAE also through the website. We are helping for everyone to make them dream come true. And again and again I am mentioning each my video, just apply with the immigration companies, please. Okay, to get successful better result. Okay, not the agency. So anyone who want to apply any kind of visa, feel free to contact us. Again, Amanda with you. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.